Hey guys, so you probably got your 2019 Notice of Appraised Value. Well, to your surprise, your property values went up again. You're probably pulling your hair out like, what am I going to do? So today we're going to answer who, what, when, and how. Who is able to protest property taxes? Well, of course, the property owner. And if you are renting the property and the owner has not, then you're eligible to protest the taxes. Well, what are you able to protest? Well, including your value, perhaps you're no longer a 5-bedroom, but rather a 3-bedroom. Maybe you don't have a pool any longer. Maybe you only have 1 living area versus 2. Do you have substantial deferred maintenance, or is your fence down? When should you protest? Well, the time is now because the deadline to protest taxes is May 15th. Well, how? Well, here's how. You're going to go to your county appraisal district's website, either download the form that they have for you to fill out and return it with the supporting documentation, or in many cases, you can file right online. So for Collin County, that web address is EFILEPROTEST.COLLINCAD.org. So after you protest, the Appraisal Review Board will reach out to you for an appointment. Have all of your pictures ready and your supporting documentation, and furthermore, be nice. So here's how we can help you. We can provide sold comparables in your neighborhood. Just shoot us an email at Roz, that's R-O-Z as in zebra, at arbrookrealty.com. That's A-R-B-R-O-O-K realty.com. Thank you, and I hope this works.